All right, I'm going to do another egg sandwich video. I know I just did one, but people seem to like it, and this one I'm going to do a little different because I got these pretty cool little things. Obviously, I love kitchen stuff, but I hate gimmicky stuff. But these things I like. They're silicone rings, and they got cool little chicken heads on them. And you put them in a pan and it makes a round egg. So if you're putting it on an English muffin, it's kind of cool. I like it. So that's what I'm going to use. So it'll be a little different than the last video. So all you do is just put some butter on the inside. So that nothing sticks. Well, egg don't stick. Put it in there. Put a little piece of butter in the middle. Alright, so you just let that melt for a minute. And when I use this little thing, I always break the yolk. Generally, I like the yolks. I guess it just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. But when I use this little thing, I always break the yolk. You can leave the yolk, but I kind of like it broke with this. So you just put your egg in there. And with this thing, I cook eggs pretty slow because I don't want the bottom to burn. And since the egg is now stacked up inside this ring, it's pretty thick. So it takes a lot longer for it to heat all the way through. And I absolutely hate burnt bottom eggs. The phone camera is blocking my spice cabinet, so I'll just use these. They're from the kitchen table. Just a little salt and pepper. Not too much salt because I'm going to put ham on this, and ham is generally pretty salty. And then I'm just going to use a slice of American cheese, and I cut up some Swiss really thin, and I'll use that. I don't know if the camera angle is angling that low, but if you can see that the egg is staying still and this little disc thing is spinning around the egg. I think these things are cool. Round muffin. My ham is a little bit too big, so I'll fold it. When I heat it up, I'll fold it in quarters or something maybe. So I'll put my American cheese on the bottom. And then I'll put the egg so it melts the cheese. Then I'll put the Swiss cheese on the top of the egg so that helps melt the cheese. And then I'll heat the ham in the pan, put that on top of the Swiss cheese, so theoretically all the cheeses should melt without putting them on the egg, which you can do. All right. And give that a little, I don't want to mess it up. It's a little brown on the bottom, but not terrible. There we go. A round egg. Then I'll put some cheese Swiss on it. Oh, I wanted to heat the ham. All right, I folded those in quarters so that they'll be round. Let's see if that works. Oops. It's going to be another messy one, I could tell you that. So there we go, a round egg. And I quartered the ham so that would be round. So it's pretty good. The whole thing fell apart. Still tastes good though.